By closing your eyes, just observe your breathing. See that your whole body is relaxed. Now, no need to continue with the chin mudra. No need to keep your spine erect. Just say that you are sitting in a comfortable position. See that your whole body is relaxed. Now slowly and comfortably breathe in and slowly and comfortably breathe out. Make it as easy and as comfortable as possible. Slowly breathing in and slowly breathing out. When you are breathing in, the cool air entering to your nostrils and entering you, filling the stomach area. When you are breathing out, coming out from the stomach, chest portion, going out through the nostrils. You can feel the warm air going out through your nostrils. Just feel how it feels inhaling the breath and exhaling. Be present with your breathing. When you are continuing with this breathing, just say that when you are breathing in, positive energy entering you in the form of white light. When you're breathing out, all the negativity is going out in the form of black light or black color. When you're breathing in the positive energy as white light. When you're breathing out the negative energy as black color. When you're doing this, your whole body is getting relaxed. With every exhalation, all the stiffness, any kind of discomfort, negativity, toxins, memories are getting released, clean. Now you're feeling much better, pure. No need to do anything. Let the thoughts come and go. It is the nature of the mind to be busy with the thoughts. You just focus on the breathing, inhaling the white light, the positive energy as white light, and exhaling the negative energy as black color. Now in a relaxed way, just keep your spine straight. Keep the hand on the chest position, the heart chakra. And repeat, I completely forgive myself for all the known and unknown mistakes I have done in my life. I completely forgive myself for all the known and unknown mistakes I have done in my life. God, please forgive me for all the known and unknown mistakes I have done in my life, and love me. God, please forgive me for all the known and unknown mistakes I have done in my life, and love me. When you completely forgive yourself, you are releasing all the pains, all the accumulated memories, subconscious memories, which are accumulated since many lifetimes, since the beginning of the creation. It is very important to forgive yourself and release all the pains. Repeat, I completely forgive myself
I completely forgive myself
for all the known and unknown mistakes
and unknown mistakes
I have done in my life.
I have done in my life.
God, please forgive me
God, please forgive me
for all the known and unknown mistakes
for all the known and unknown mistakes
I have done in my life,
I have done in my life,
and love me.
and love me.
I completely forgive anyone or any situation
I completely forgive anyone and any situation
who have hurt me
who have hurt me
knowingly or unknowingly.
knowingly or unknowingly.
I completely forgive
I completely forgive
anyone or any situation who have hurt me knowingly or unknowingly. God, please forgive anyone or any situation who have hurt me knowingly or unknowingly. God, please forgive anyone or any situation who have hurt me knowingly or unknowingly. I completely forgive myself for all the known and unknown mistakes I have done in my life. God, please forgive me for all the known and unknown mistakes I have done in my life, and love me. I completely forgive anyone or any situation who have hurt me knowingly or unknowingly. God, please forgive anyone or any situation who have hurt me knowingly or unknowingly. When you forgive others, you are releasing your own pain. Forgiveness is not about the other person. It is only to release your pain, your hatred, unforgiveness, your anger, your resentment, your helplessness. When you forgive other person, you are releasing your own pain. And when you forgive yourself, you are releasing your own painful memories, which are replaying as the present problems, physical, psychological, or any kind of issues you're going through. It is all about working on yourself, releasing your energies. And once you forgive yourself and the other person, it doesn't mean that once you forgive other person again, going back to that person again getting hurt, nothing like that. It is only to release your pain. As long as you are holding on to that memories of painful memories of previous experiences with those people, only till then you keep on experiencing that pain, that resentment. Why this person came into my life? Why this person behaved like this? Why this has happened like this? Or why this breakup has happened? All these painful thoughts, feelings, emotions, the helplessness will be there only as long as you are holding on to that person's energies in the form of subconscious memories. Once you completely forgive other person, you will let go of that person free, and you will be free from the painful thoughts and emotions. You'll be able to enjoy your life like never before. And by continuing your eyes, just close your continuing keeping your eyes closed. Observe your breathing. You just say that you're slowly breathing in and slowly breathing out, slowly and comfortably. When you're inhaling love and peace. When you're exhaling hope and confidence. Inhaling love and peace, exhaling hope and confidence. Do this for a couple of times. Before opening the eyes, let us do this small healing process. You just see that your body is relaxed. You are totally relaxed. Now, you just think of the one thing which is causing you a lot of pain in your life, whether in the form of thoughts, emotions, situations, inside, outside, health or physical or psychological health, any kind of problem, the issue you're going through, the one major thing which is causing you the heaviness, you just think of that. Now take a deep breath, slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out. Take all your attention to the breathing. Breathing in and slowly breathing out. Now you just see that whatever the problem was there in your life till the last moment, now it is not there. It is solved. It is resolved, disappeared. Now you are free from that particular issue. Just see that problem is solved and how you feel when you are free from that particular issue. How beautiful the life is. How beautiful you feel in your body. Now you are healthy, happy, strong, and peaceful. Attracting all the positivity, the peaceful, the positive thoughts, and all the loving people around you, and each and every person in your life, you love them and they love you. You just say that you love that person and that person loves you. Now you're totally free, free from all the pain, sorrow, suffering. See how the life is, how beautiful it is, how you feel in your body, how you feel in your thoughts, your mind. It's a harmonious life, peaceful life. Finally, with the blessings of the divine, all the problems are resolved. Now, with the blessings of the divine, you are free from all the pain, sorrow, suffering. At this moment, you have no other thing to be bothered. You are totally free. You are in the hands of the divine, taken care by the divine, totally free, healthy, happy, peaceful. The whole life is happening and going on in a harmonious way. Life is so beautiful, interesting. Whatever you see, wherever you go, everywhere, everything you are seeing, love with the loving eyes. Whoever you meet in your life, everybody loves you. Everyone talks to you in a loving way. See as clearly as possible. Now, before closing the cleaning process, let us be thankful to the person who has provided us this opportunity of cleaning and healing ourselves. There is only one Guru in the universe, the entire creation, who has created this universe, the creator of the universe, the divine divinity. Let us be thankful to him or her, the divine, who has given us this beautiful body, beautiful opportunity. I just say that you are in a place of prayer, maybe temple, church, mosque, or a sacred place. And the divine is standing in front of you, the divine form of your own choice, whom you believe. It is not a statue, it is the human form. The divine is your favorite choice, divine whom you pray, whom you like, whom you love. That divine form is in front of you. It is alive in the human form. You are in front of this divine divinity. You just say that you are going down to the feet of the divine, touching the feet of the divine. You just bow down to the divine, surrender yourself to the divine divinity. You say thank you. Thank you for the gift of this life. Thank you for providing this beautiful body. Thank you for giving me the gift of this body. Thank you for giving me the gift of this life. Thank you. Thank you for taking care of me. Thank you for protecting me. Thank you for guiding me. Thank you. And if you want to express your thoughts, feelings to the divine, you can talk to the divine. This is the best time. Just express all your thoughts, feelings, emotion to the divinity. And once it's done, you can open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face.